10 set, 10 DB9 male solder connectors plus 10 gray plastic hoods. 232 rupees D-Sub 9 pins male normal density solder cup connectors tin-plated housing plus lightweight gray plastic hoods individually bagged for each set of hood and srews. 10 standard DB9 male solder cup connectors and 10 of the gray plastic hoods with screws and accessories. Maximum wire size is 20 Aruban florins, UL94V0 rated connector insulator. Price is for 10 sets of DB9 male solder connectors and plastic hoods in retail box. Top reviews from the United States. Box of 10 each, just like shown, no pin numbers molded into the plastic though. Just like shown in the picture. Good to fair quality DB. The pin numbers are not molded into the back of the connector and cannot be seen inside where the male pins are, either. So unless you're confident about your ability to count and solder pins in a DB connector, you might want to seek another brand. I find them to be just fine. The molding is a little wavy on the backside, but is fine on the male pin side where the DB must mate with the female. The pins are a dull brass, not anodized. The solder cups appear to be nickel-plated, pin alignment looks to be on spec. I wouldn't be afraid to use them in a pro setting. I am making null modem cables for RBDS FM broadcast application, so they will only need 3 wires.